my name is Ciara and we're here in Littlehampton in my Wellis Danube W-Flow swim spa, which we received in September. And ever since then I've been setting up my swim school, Swim at the Garage, as well as swimming in it myself and coaching my own children. We did a lot of research on our swim spa. We discovered that this one would be the best one for us simply because of the flow rather than the jets for our specific needs. We went and we tried it out during lockdown, and we got my son to swim in it and he absolutely loved it and begged us to make sure that we could get one. So we've been swimming in it since the 12th of September, every day. It's being used. The kids love it, my students love it, and we love it. Myself and my husband come out in the evening and just sit in the bubbles and relax. My son is a national swimmer and he can swim for Ireland, Scotland and Britain. He was due to go to the Irish Olympic trials in April in Ireland this year, but unfortunately due to lockdown we had to cancel that, so he's aiming for it again next year, 2021. My favourite feature is, it's a tough one to choose from because I found that all the features are really good for me. However, I love the fact that I can go up and down through the wave power, especially when my swimmers are in the pool, and I can control how fast they're swimming against the wave of the flow. And I can change it if I see them struggling, or I can change it if I can see that they're too strong for it. So that's one of my favourites. I would highly recommend the Wellis Swim Spa to anybody who asked. Every feedback from my swimmers and my parents has been amazing. It's so easy to maintain, it's easy to keep on top of and to make sure that we've got the temperature right, and the service has been very good from the word go.